Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know if you're among those that are registered on Arkham airdrop round 2, the one that I posted few days ago. I guess you might have gotten this mail. So they said claim your Arkham username. So guys, you need to hurry up. If you receive this mail now, you need to click on the mail. You need to click on this link that they dropped below your email and then claim your username, guys. We don't know what they are up to, never can tell, guys. This one they came up with, claim username. See, Akim is pleased to announce our latest feature. This one is their latest feature, guys. Don't sleep on this update. So users can now claim their username on the platform. So usernames are unique to you and will be used for a variety of features to be announced. Do you understand what that means? Yeah. So you still keep a display name, but you can only claim a username once. So choose wisely. Claim yours through this link. Claim yours through following this link. So guys, I'm going to drop this link under the comment section of this video now. For those that have not registered on Arkham, just so you know, they will be doing their round 2 airdrop. So I'm going to drop a link too for you to register if you have not registered. Then this very link now, this first link is going to be for those that have actually registered. You have to claim your username once you are done with the registration. So guys, if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money through crypto. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification to get notified, guys. I still have a lot of updates. If you're actually benefiting from this, share this video, give it a thumbs up, guys. I'll keep you guys posted if there is any other update. I'll keep bringing you guys a lot of updates. Just stay tuned, subscribe. That will be all for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon.